Budget 3D printers in 2026 now come with features that cost hundreds in upgrades just 2 years ago. After testing 6 machines under $300, here's what actually matters. Your best overall pick is the Creality Ender 3v3 at $259. You get auto leveling, direct drive for flexible filaments, and the biggest support community in 3D printing. When something breaks at 2 in the morning, you'll find answers immediately. If you hate assembly, the AnkerMake M5C ships fully built at $299. Unbox it and start printing in 10 minutes. For tinkerers who want Klipper firmware and room to grow, the Elegoo Neptune 4 delivers at $239. The 3 non-negotiables are build volume around 220 millimeters, auto leveling to eliminate the most common beginner failures, and strong community support. Direct drive extruders have moved down to this price range, which opens up materials like TPU from day one. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.